Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology, and an interesting optional update actually happened this week that you might have seen go through. I did not see it. I did check, and this is what it actually showed up as a January update for Office 2013, 2010, and 2007. So you might say, okay, that's kind of interesting. Now, Office 2007 and Office 2010 are both out of support. They have ended support quite a while back. And Office 2013 is about to have the end of extended support in April. And so it was kind of interesting. Some people reached out to Microsoft to say what this update was all about. And Microsoft did not really reply back, but it seems that this, if you've seen it go through, is simply an update that actually doesn't install any files. What it did is it went through Windows Update. Once you did the download and install button, what it did is simply check if you had outdated versions of Office. And then it just disappears, and no files are left behind, apparently, from what they say. So this was just a check to see how many people are still running an outdated version of Office, which is kind of interesting. And of course, Microsoft really pushing hard, saying, well, you shouldn't really using an old version of Office because you are vulnerable to attacks, which is true because the Office apps are often used for attacks on malformed documents. So this is kind of interesting. I don't recall Microsoft ever pushing an update just to see if people are running outdated versions of certain software. But this is kind of an interesting one. So if you saw this go through, it was simply to verify if you're running an outdated version of Office. Nothing more. I don't think they're going to do anything about it. It's not there to, kind of warn you, oh, well, you shouldn't be running this or remove it or anything. I think it's just purely Microsoft taking statistics to see how many people are still running outdated versions of Office, just out of curiosity. So it's more of a survey probably that they're running through the Windows Update with this update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching.